brochure, brochure. Pick up a brochure at the front desk for details. Pick up a brochure at the front desk for details. Mail, mail. The invoice was mailed to all clients last Friday. The invoice was mailed to all clients last Friday. Prefer, prefer. Most staff prefer to work from the Osaka office. Most staff prefer to work from the Osaka office. Response, response. We haven't received a response from them yet. We haven't received a response from them yet. Region, region. Sales in the Kansai region grew by 10%. Sales in the Kansai region grew by 10%. Donation, donation. The company made a donation to a local charity. The company made a donation to a local charity. Quarter, quarter. Revenue was up in the third quarter of this year. Revenue was up in the third quarter of this year. Agreement, agreement. Both sides signed the agreement on Friday. Both sides signed the agreement on Friday. Highly, highly. She came highly recommended by her previous manager. She came highly recommended by her previous manager. Result, result. The survey results will be shared next week. The survey results will be shared next week.